Welcome back, everyone! In this Tokyo travel series, we'll be sharing daily vlogs filled with unforgettable food, a day trip to see early cherry blossoms without the crowds, and sprinkling in some walking tours to give you a true feel of the city. So sit back, relax, and let's explore Japan together! Ice cream and apple pie? Oh man, that looks so good. Ooh, craves. Dessert sounds kind of nice.
Huh?
Dessert sounds kind of nice. How about after we eat french fries, so you go to like a cafe, get coffee, you get dessert? These are new toys or are they secondhand?
It's brand new.
Oh, really? Huh? Oh, cool. Oh, that is so cool!
Oh, that? Oh, I thought that was okay.
No, Naruto. That's a pretty cool, Luffy one.
Huh?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. I'm excited for fries. 14 dip sauces to choose from. Ooh.
Oh, no more salmon sauce.
Oh, sold out?
JR 線つくばエクスプレス線はお乗り換えです。
Yeah, let's go. Is it in Akihabara or was I wrong about the location?
I'm gonna search it on Google.
Roppongi? Oh, we're going there tomorrow. We're gonna be really close to it tomorrow. Yeah. What is it?
I don't know.
Who is that? Animate?
What?
Oh, look at this.
来てくれて嬉しい。お客様、お目が高い。はい、どうぞどうぞ。
Oh, look.
That guy.
That's a spoiler. This is a really cool figure.
This is cool.
Oh, that's cool too.
Alright.
I heard if the claw strength is like kind of stronger, it's close to paying out.
Oh, this?
Yeah, you know how sometimes you can tell if it like really loose or not? It kind of was kind of strong, like a strong grip.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Oh my god.
You just have to move this like that way. Oh, it's so close. Oh, I think you got it.
Come on.
Come on.